Learn Hindi question words fast. How, which, how much, and how many in
Hindi.
Welcome to Question Word Chaos. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Hindi question words without sounding like a confused potato. We will keep it fun, simple, and very easy to say aloud. Today your survival kit has 4 stars. First, how equals.
कैसे?
Second, which equals.
कौन सा?
Third, how much equals.
कितना?
Fourth, how many equals.
कितने?
If you can ask these, you can survive a market, a train station, a classroom, and possibly a family dinner. Your mission today. You do not need perfect grammar right now. You just need courage, curiosity, and the ability to ask questions before buying 12 mangoes by accident. Use.
कैसे?
When you want to ask how something works, happens, or feels. Use.
कौन सा?
When choosing between options. Use.
कितना?
When asking about amount or price. Use.
कितने?
When asking about number or count. The curious word.
कैसे?
Let us start with the word that appears whenever your brain tilts its head and says, wait. What is happening here? How in Hindi is.
कैसे?
Imagine a giant question mark floating in the sky, dramatically whispering.
कैसे?
You can say.
आप कैसे हैं?
Meaning, how are you? Or.
ये कैसे काम करता है?
Meaning, how does this work? Or.
मैं कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
Meaning, how can I help? The decision word.
कौन सा?
Now we enter the magical land of choices, where every snack, shirt, and bus platform asks you to make a decision. Which in Hindi is.
कौन सा?
Picture yourself in front of 3 doors, 3 keys, or 3 suspiciously similar remotes. Your mouth says.
कौन सा?
Example.
तुम कौन सा किताब चाहते हो?
Which book do you want? Another one.
कौन सा सही है?
Which one is correct? And one more.
तुम्हारा पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है?
Which color is your favorite? The wallet word.
कितना?
This next word may save your money, your dignity, and your chance of not paying tourist prices for one banana. How much in Hindi is.
कितना?
This is your market superhero word. Say.
ये कितना है?
Meaning, how much is this? Also useful.
तुम्हें कितना पानी चाहिए?
Meaning, how much water do you need? And.
कितना समय बचा है?
Meaning, how much time is left? If a parrot in a bazaar knew one useful word, it would scream.
कितना?
At everything. The counting word.
कितने?
Now let us count things, because 1 samosa is a snack, but 5 samosas are a life choice. How many in Hindi is.
कितने?
Use it for numbers and countable things. Think of counting balloons, books, or mangoes while asking.
कितने?
You can ask, how many books? Start with the key word.
कितने?
A simple market moment could be.
कितने?
Meaning, how many? Remember the contrast.
कितना?
Asks amount, but.
कितने?
Asks number. Mini story in the market. Let us throw you into a Hindi market. Do not panic. Just point, smile, and ask excellent questions. You see a strange machine making hot snacks. You ask.
ये कैसे काम करता है?
Then you see 2 shiny scarves and ask.
कौन सा?
Is better? You pick one and immediately become financially responsible for 2 seconds, so you ask.
ये कितना है?
Then your friend points at a pile of mangoes, clearly planning trouble, and asks.
कितने?
Congratulations. You are now asking like a real human and not just pointing like a confused traffic cone. Funny memory tricks. Let us make these words sticky in your memory. The goal is language learning, but the side effect is mild silliness. 4.
कैसे?
Imagine a detective looking at a floating bicycle and asking, how? How.
कैसे?
4.
कौन सा?
Imagine a robot in a shirt shop overheating because every shirt looks the same. It keeps saying.
कौन सा?
4.
कितना?
Picture a magical price tag popping up on everything, including your sandwich. 4.
कितने?
Imagine counting lattice, losing track, and asking.
कितने?
With great emotional commitment. Quick contrast drill. Now you will train your ear. Listen to the English meaning, then connect it to the Hindi word. How.
कैसे?
Which.
कौन सा?
How much.
कितना?
How many.
कितने?
Again. How.
कैसे?
Which.
कौन सा?
How much.
कितना?
How many.
कितने?
Dialogue practice. Say these aloud with me. No one is judging you, except maybe the imaginary market parrot. A. How are you? B.
आप कैसे हैं?
A. Which book do you want? B.
तुम कौन सा किताब चाहते हो?
A. How much is this? B.
ये कितना है?
A. How many tickets? B.
कितने?
Tiny quiz, big drama. Time for a mini quiz. If you get one wrong, nothing terrible happens. A dramatic tabla might play in your mind, but that is all. What is how in Hindi?
कैसे?
What is which in Hindi?
कौन सा?
What is how much in Hindi?
कितना?
What is how many in Hindi?
कितने?
Which word helps you choose?
कौन सा?
Which word helps you ask price?
कितना?
Your real life challenge. Here is your mission after this chapter. Use these words in your own mini sentences, even if they are simple. Say one sentence with.
कैसे?
Like.
ये कैसे काम करता है?
Say one sentence with.
कौन सा?
Like.
कौन सा सही है?
Say one sentence with.
कितना?
Like.
ये कितना है?
Say one sentence with.
कितने?
Even if it is just.
कितने?
With a counting gesture. Friendly goodbye. Nice work. You just learned 4 Hindi question words that are tiny, powerful, and extremely useful. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
कैसे? कौन सा? कितना?
And.
कितने?
Out loud. The more you repeat them, the more natural your Hindi will feel. You are doing great, so keep going and ask your next question with confidence.